A lot of online businesses do not have a social media strategy. We create these social media pages when we're starting our businesses, and then we just randomly post content without any clear goals or strategy or purpose for that content. We are constantly hopping on trends without even considering how it will affect or benefit our audience or the goals that we have for our business, or even if it will be content that our audience is actually interested in, or content that will actually speak to our audience. Here are steps that you can follow to create a social media strategy for your business. First, you need to fix your focus. Remember that you are running a business. Your social media marketing needs to result in growing an audience interested in your products, which will result in traffic to your site and sales. So do not focus on followers and post likes, because just because they like your content does not mean they will buy your product. Sometimes people just enjoy your content. There are many business accounts that I follow simply because I enjoy seeing what content they create. Your focus should not be vanity metrics. It should be to have a marketing strategy that brings you the right audience and customers. It is very important to know what you want to achieve from your social media strategy. So your social media strategy needs to be in line with your overall business goals. As a business owner, your goals should be similar to the following. First, you want to increase brand awareness. So your audience needs to know, like, and trust you. For your audience to know, like, and trust you, they need to know and understand what your brand is about. A big part of your strategy should be dedicated to creating content that shares what your business is about, so your brand's personality and values. So another thing you need is to generate traffic that will convert to sales. Your content needs to make your audience want to click the link in your bio and find out more about this product you're promoting through your content. You can only convert your audience into traffic and after sales if they feel aligned to your brand, or that you have a product that solves or addresses a problem that they have. You also want to grow your audience and community. Growing your audience means increasing the number of people more likely to buy from you and recommend your business. You shouldn't be growing an audience just to have a large audience, because having a large audience doesn't automatically mean more sales. Having a community that aligns with your brand is more important. They will buy from you and they will recommend your business to or product to other people. Knowing your target audience will guide you in choosing what platforms you need to focus on, what type of content you should create for them in order to attract that audience, to keep them engaged, and to also convince them to buy from you. If you don't know who your target audience is yet, then make sure you watch my video on how to find your target audience. I have linked it in the description, or you can also click up here. Don't try to be on every single platform, because you will burn out. Instead, you need to figure out which platform your audience is most active on, so that you can focus most of your energy on that particular platform and creating the type of content that they are likely to engage with. So you can know this by paying attention to the audience that your competitors have. Where are your competitors most active, and what type of content are they creating the most? Once you know what your primary platform is, you can then focus on adding other platforms where you know that your audience is active or does engage. And also, even regardless of what platform you are using or what platform you move onto or add onto in your marketing, make sure that the content you create is the type of content that your audience will likely respond to, and the type of content that they will engage with. In creating an effective social media strategy that gives you results in the form of traffic and sales, you need to study and understand the data and analytics in your social media platforms. So metric you should look at are, first, your reach. This is the number of people who see your posts. The more people you reach, the better your chances of growing your audience. Secondly, your engagement. If your audience is not interacting with your content, it may be a sign that they are either not interested in that product or your content does not appeal to them. Lastly, your conversion. When people see your content, are they acting on your call to action? Whether you are asking them to follow you, click the link in your bio, or comment, are they taking that action? You need to know if your content is giving you the result that you are expecting. The last step is to create content your target audience can engage with. So create content your audience would like and easily engage with, content they can relate to. You need to maintain your on-brand content themes, your language, and colors to make it easier for your audience to spot your content. I hope this video was helpful and that you got a lot of value from it. Remember to hit that subscribe button.